Perimeter and area of composite shape. Today we are finding the perimeter and area of a composite shape. To make this easier, we will divide the composite shape into three parts: a rectangle R, a semicircle S, and a triangle T. Perimeter. Let's start with the semicircle. The perimeter of a full circle is given by the formula P equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius. For our semicircle, the diameter is 6 centimeters, so the radius is 3 centimeters. Since we only have half of a circle, we only need half of the circumference. So the perimeter of the semicircle is pi times r, which is 3.14 times 3. This gives us 9.42 centimeters for the curved part of the semicircle. Next, we look at triangle T. This is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. Side A measures 4 centimeters. Side B is the difference between 11 centimeters and 6 centimeters, which is 5 centimeters. Now that we know sides A and B, we can find the hypotenuse C using the Pythagorean theorem. So, C squared equals A squared plus B squared, which is 4 squared plus 5 squared. That gives us 41. Taking the square root, C is approximately 6.40 centimeters. Now, we can add all the outer sides to find the total perimeter. So, the perimeter P equals 9.42 centimeters from the semicircle plus 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6.40 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. Altogether, the perimeter of the composite shape is 30.82 centimeters. Area. Now, let's find the total area. We begin with the rectangle R. The formula of area is A equals length times width. The length is 6 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. So, the area of rectangle is equal to 6 times 4 is equal to 24 square centimeters. Next is the semicircle S. The area of a full circle is pi r squared. But we only need half of that. Half the area equals 1/2 times pi times r squared. The radius is 3 centimeters. So, area is equal to 1/2 times 3.14 times 9, which gives 14.13 square centimeters. Now for triangle T. The formula is 1/2 times base times height. The base is 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters is equal to 1/2 times 5 times 4. So, the area of the triangle is 10 square centimeters. Finally, we add all three areas. Area is equal to area of rectangle 24 square centimeters plus area of semicircle 14.13 square centimeters plus area of triangle 10 square centimeters. The total area of the composite shape is 48.13 square centimeters. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more math videos, make sure to like and subscribe.